I often give my children gifts maski wala silang hinihingi kasi tatay ako. Ano pa kaya kung sumunod sila sa akin maski ayaw nila? I am not saying that parents are always right. However, if you want them to listen to you, it is best that you submit. Ganito din ang nangyayari sa eskwela. I am sure that children do not like to submit to their teachers because many times children believe that they know better. But these teachers have more wisdom like your parents. The reason they say what they say is because they want to protect you. I am always concerned to children who does not know how to submit. Kasi pag nagtrabaho na sila, dala-dala nila yung attitude na yon. Do you know that even at work, submission brings blessing? As an employer o sa boss, pag yung tao submissive, I am quick to bless. Pero yung matigas ang ulo, I find it hard to give in to their requests. I even have a hard time giving them higher pay. Kasi alam ko that if I reward their rebellion, lalo sila magre-rebelde. Meron akong kwento sa inyo. One time I came to Manila and there was this boy, when he saw me, he started to run towards me. Very, very excited. Itong bata na to graduated from our summer training event na tawag Reboot. It is a values formation training for young adults. Sabi ng bata sa akin, Tito, dami kong blessing. Dami kong regalo galing sa magulang ko. Sabi ko, bakit? Ano nangyari? Sabi niya, kasi inisahan ko sila eh. I obeyed maski ayaw ko. So natawa lang ako. But let me explain to you ano sinasabi nung bata. Many years ago, we used to run a summer camp for young adults na tawag Reboot sa foundation namin noon sa Similya sa Kinabuhi. And one of our lesson in the 2-week training was a lesson on submission. When I start that lesson, I always ask the group, sino sa inyo ang enjoy mag-submit? And walang magtataas ng kamay. And so alam ko na, di ba, to young adults talagang struggle sila mag-submit to parents, to teachers, and to most authority. So tanong ko sa kanila, what is it about authorities, especially your parents, na nahirapan ka mag-submit? What do you hate about the concept of submission? And so most of them will say, one, how can I submit to an authority na hindi niya naintindihan ang nararamdaman ko? And sabi pa ng iba, Tito, yung alam ng magulang ko, laos na yon. And they believe most of their authorities want to be in control of their lives. Itong mga bata na to, they believe they should have control over their lives. So after their sharing, I asked them, ano ba ang nangyayari sa inyo at saka sa authority, especially sa parent nyo, pag hindi kayo nag-submit? Di ba, I tell them, di ba, pag hindi ka sumunod sa magulang mo, galit sila? Nung nagalit sila, ano naramdaman mo? Nagalit ka rin. So pareho kayong galit. But at the end of the day, sino ang nasusunod? I don't know about your situation, but in most cases, at the end of the day, nasusunod yung magulang. Because the parents have authority, they have control over your food, over the house, and over your allowance. So mapipilitan ka pa rin mag-submit. But of course, in the beginning, hindi ka pumayag. Nung finally nag-submit ka, ano nangyari? Galit pa rin sila. Galit ka pa rin. Hindi ba? So I would often tell the class, lugi pag hindi ka nag-submit. Pero baguhin natin yung situation. May pinagawa sa'yo yung magulang mo. Hindi mo gusto. Hindi ka happy. Pero nag-obey ka. Ginawa mo maski ayaw mo. What will happen? Happy siya. Hindi ka happy. Pero the next time ka magpaalam, next time ka may hingin, they're very, very open to give you what you want. Bakit? Kasi alam nila mag-o-obey ka maski ayaw mo eh. Sana you are enjoying the first part of the video. Before we go to the remainder of the video, I'd like to ask you sana a small favor. Alam mo ako, I wish I could help more Filipinos become fruitful, and this is the reason why I share the things I've learned in life. Will you help me help other people by subscribing to the channel? Kasi as the subscription of a channel grows, YouTube tends to share this with more people. Tulungan mo ako matulungan ang lahat ng Pilipino maging fruitful. Ginawa mo maski ayaw mo. What will happen? Happy siya? Hindi ka happy. Pero the next time ka magpaalam, next time ka may hingin, they're very, very open to give you what you want. Bakit? Kasi alam nila mag-o-obey ka maski ayaw mo eh. I need you to understand something about parents. I'm a father. When I say something, it is not because I want to be in control, but instead I want to protect my children. The reason I say what I say is because natatakot ako na may mangyari sa kanila. But then of course you'd say, no, but why can't you trust me? You see, trust is something you earn by doing what is right over time. And most parents would insist on what they want only because they're afraid na masaktan ka. Pero sasabihin mo sa akin, no, Tito, hindi naman nila alam kung ano na ang panahon today. Totoo yun, most parents do not understand. And yung alam nila, laos na yun. However, parents have wisdom. Alam nila kung ano ang posibleng mangyari kasi dinaanan na nila yun. However, if a child is obedient, parents are quick to bless. Parents are quick to listen. So sabi ko dun sa klase namin, alam nyo, ito na lang ang gawin natin. Isahan na lang natin ang mga magulang natin. So na-shock sila. At paano natin isahan? Pag may sinabi sila, ayaw mo, mag-obey ka na lang maski ayaw mo kasi happy sila. When happy sila, the next time ka magpaalam, the next time ka may sasabihin, they're quick to listen and they are quick to give. After this lesson in that reboot training, we would affirm that principle. Yung masunurin sa mga task na ginagawa doon sa summer camp, we bless. Yung matitigas sa ulo, we punish. So those who graduated from reboot, ang lakas-lakas ng recall nila sa submission brings blessing. Kaya nga pagdating ko sa Manila, this boy ran to me excited kasi na-prove niya na tama. Na pag ginawa niya yung gusto ng magulang niya, maski ayaw niya, bibigyan siya ng blessing. Tatay ako. You know, I often give my children gifts maski wala silang hinihingi kasi tatay ako. Ano pa kaya kung sumunod sila sa akin maski ayaw nila? I am not saying that parents are always right. However, if you want them to listen to you, it is best that you submit. Ganito din ang nangyayari sa eskwela. I am sure that children do not like to submit to their teachers because many times children believe that they know better. But these teachers have more wisdom like your parents. The reason they say what they say is because they want to protect you. Alam mo ako, I am always concerned to children who does not know how to submit. Kasi pag nagtrabaho na sila, dala-dala nila yung attitude na yon. Do you know that even at work, submission brings blessing? What do I mean? As an employer or as a boss, pag yung tao submissive, I am quick to bless. I am quick to give a raise. I am quick to give into his appeal. Pero yung matigas ang ulo, yung reklamo muna bago sumunod, I find it hard to give in to their requests. I even have a hard time giving them higher pay. Kasi alam ko that if I reward their rebellion, lalo sila magre-rebelde. I made this video because I really believe submission to authority is an important principle that you should learn. Alam mo ba that this is so important that God included it in the Ten Commandments? Sabi niya, children, honor your father and mother. And then it said, then you will live a long life in the land that I will give you. It is the only commandment that has a promise. Kasi importante kay God na mag-submit ka. Pero it is not for the sake of authority. It is for your sake and for your blessing. If you're a child, sana natulungan kita maintindihan na submitting to parents is good and it will protect you. If you are an employee, a worker, sana naintindihan mo that submission to authority will bring you favor and increase your blessing. Sana natulungan kita sa video na to. Pag natulungan kita, i-share mo sa mga taong kailangan nila intindihin that in order to attract blessings, they need to have the humility to submit. And lastly, sana you will like this video and subscribe to my channel so that the algorithm of YouTube can attract more people to this video and matulungan natin ng mas marami.